Okay, let's add some features that we need for this course. Let's go to Control Panel, Add Remove Programs, select Excel, and click Change Remove. And okay, I've got the CD in already. Otherwise, the initial setup page would come up, and you'd have to close that down. So let's click Add Remove, and let's click on Add-ins and select Change Option, and we want to select Solver, and OK. Now let's also select Microsoft Map and Data Access. Let's click on it and go to Change Options, and we'll see it selects all three of them for us. That's fine. We'll click OK and continue, and it will now add that to Excel for us. Click OK, and then we want to close these windows down and open Excel, and then open our Excel Test Expert file, which is in our new Excel 97 Expert folder. And then go to the Prices tab, and let's name cell C3. So let's click on C3, click in the name box and type Mon Price and press enter. And now let's go to click the New button and make a new workbook, and let's click in A3 and type monitor, and in A4 we'll type CD-ROM, and then click in B3 and type the equal sign, and then we go to the Windows menu, select our Excel Test Expert file and click in C3 and press enter. And let's go back up to B3, and you'll see that it's used that name in the formula. So let's click on B4 and type equals and go to the window menu and go back to our Excel Test Expert file. Click on C5 and enter. And note that the formula here is using the cell reference. So now let's go to the window menu and select our Excel Test Expert file. Let's select the file before we move to the file menu. Okay, file menu, save as, and change the name to Excel Expert Working, WKG, and click save. That'll leave the original file untouched if you want to go back and try all this again. And then go to the Windows menu and select Book 2. And actually note that the formula now uses the new name that we gave the other file. So we go File menu, and we want to save this file. We could just click the Save button, but File, Save As, and type XLXWKG2, Excel Expert Working 2 as a file name, and save. And then we go File and Close. And now right click on B2 and select Delete. Let's check entire row and say OK. And now let's go into the file menu and open our XLX Working 2 file, and note that it's found the right price for monitor, but the other one, the price has changed because it's actually found the right cell, but that cell now has something different in it. So let's go to this one, and we'll see that it's found the price for MS Word. So let's go back to this one. Let's close Excel Expert Working. Let's go to Edit Menu, Links, and click Open Source. Okay, and there's our file back. Now let's close it again. And let's go to the Edit menu, Links, Change Source, and double click on Excel Test Expert, our original file, and say OK, and it'll now have the right price for CD-ROM because we hadn't deleted the row in that one. So let's go. Let's close this workbook. Well, we don't need to save changes.